We have to, this is okay. Now we have to cover this until it gets cooked. So we're gonna cover this. So I'm cooking this for 1 hour or less than that, 40 to 45 minutes. Afternoon and happy Monday to everyone, and I hope you are all doing fine, safe and healthy. And today let's make an adobo. So this is a mix of pork meat and a chicken meat. So I have 300 grams of pork meat and 300 grams of chicken. So now first we just have to marinate our meat, so please keep on watching. So here we have the bowl with meat, and I have here crushed garlic with the skin because it really gives a good smells and flavor as well. And for this we need I'm putting this one and this one, soy sauce. So I'm just going to estimate as per to your requirement. So I'm putting about 1/4 cup of soy sauce and just about 4 tablespoons of this, and then a vinegar. I'm just putting 5 tablespoons. So only 5 tablespoons of vinegar. You just give a good mix, and I'm gonna put like half teaspoon of salt and lemon. I always put lemon in all my meat marinations. I have here 1 lemon. Stop making noise. So just put the lemon here. Then after this, you just have to give a good mix. I just want to use my hand so it will be properly coated. So just have to mix this nicely. And then just leave it for 1 hour. Now guys, our adobo meat has been marinated now for 1 hour. So it's time for us to cook. Aside from this meat, we need also onion, some bay leaves or dahon ng laurel, and we need some garlic. I have cinnamon stick here. I have star anise, black pepper, whole black pepper, and cardamom. Okay, so now first we have to cook. We have to put the pan is heated up. We just have to add our olive oil. I'm using olive oil. And now we have to put our other masala. So I have here a pan which is already put the olive oil inside. So this is ready to go. Now we have to add our onion. First we have to add our bay leaves. What do you call this? Star anise, cinnamon stick, cardamom, and our whole black pepper. I put only a few of it. I don't like black pepper. So you just have to saute this just for a few seconds, and then we have to throw our onion. And gonna just saute our onion until it gets translucent. And now we can put our garlic and just saute for another 1 minute. And now, after this, we have to put our marinated meat. Okay, so just leave it open. You just have to saute this. Now, we have to, this is okay. Now we have to cover this until it gets cooked. So we're gonna cover this. So I'm cooking this for 1 hour. Or less than that. 40 to 45 minutes. Now let's check our adobo. Smells good. It has been cooking now for like 45 minutes. So let's check if the pork is soft as well as for the chicken. Yeah, this is fine now. So cook. So now our chicken and pork adobo is ready. So this is how it looks like. So nice. So this is done. And then I could able to share with you all. And I hope you liked it. It is very quick and easy to make. Until to my next one. Bye!